In this Canva tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save your file as a PDF. Now, this is really simple to do, and once you have your creation completed and that you want to save, you want to come up to here where it says Share. We are going to click on here and we're going to come down to Download. Now, from here, we actually have two different options once we click on the PNG. We can save as PDF standard or PDF print. Now, if you do not plan on printing off your PDF, then the PDF standard will do. So now if we click on here, we have the option to flatten, which, if we hover over the eye, says flattening your PDF can help ensure it prints properly. We also have the option to include notes. Now, notes included with your download will appear under the page thumbnail. Now, if we want to download as PDF standard, we simply click on Download. Now, if we want to print off our PDF, we want to choose PDF Print. Now, from here, we have a few different options. We can click to crop marks and bleed, which will include crop marks and bleed if you're trimming this design after printing. We also have the option to flatten PDF. Now, flattening your PDF can help ensure it prints properly. We also have the last option again to include notes. Now, if you do plan on using this just online, then we can use RGB, which is best for digital use. If we want to print this off, then we want to click on here and change to CMYK, which is best for professional printing. Now, once we've done that, we can click Download, and now we have downloaded our PDF here in Canva. So that's how you can save your file as PDF. Now, for more Canva tutorials just like this, click right here and watch this playlist.